Hello there, welcome to the YouTube channel, and in this video we are going to be talking about an update. So recently, Fire TV 6 started blocking media players that we commonly install on our Fire TV to watch stuff. Now in this video we are going to try to figure out if Android TV is also blocking this particular media player. So I'm referring to media players like Bear Player, AM Player, and so on. So we're going to try to find out on our Android TV if we are still able to install these media players on it. So if you find the video helpful, please make sure to like, subscribe, and share for more important videos like this. With that said, let's get into it. So here's my Android TV that I'm using. I'm using an Android TV box. If you have an Android TV or if you want to upgrade your Android TV, in the description of this video, I've added a couple of Android TV box that I recommend are one of the best to use. So you can check them out if you want to upgrade your Android TV, but if not, then let's continue. So the very first thing I want to show you is we are going to try to install or download and install various media players on our Android TV. And if they work, if they install and work perfectly, then my Android TV is not yet blocking it like Firestick. But if I'm unable to install them, then unfortunately Android TV is blocking these media players. So let's get started. So to do that, we're going to go over to the Unlink application. If you do not have the Unlink application, at the end of this video, I'm going to show you how to install it to your Android TV. So I love using Unlink because even though there are many other ways to install media players, the Unlink application is where I install the updated version of media players. You could use APK Time, you use Downloader, Firesend, or even Google. But if you want updated media players, then Unlink should be the best option. That's why it is the option I'm using in this video. So once I launch Unlink, here it brings me to this category of applications. I will show you how I got here. Just be patient if you do not know how I got here. So as you can see, these are media players. Now these are the media players that are being blocked from being installed on a Firestick device. So let's see if we can still install some of these on our Android TV. So the very first one I'm going to try is a Bear Player. For instance, here is it. If I want to install it, all I have to do is just click on it, and here's the install button, and I'll click install and just wait. So let's see if it's going to install to our Android TV. Now it is installed. Let's try to install another media player and see if it's also going to install. Let's install the AM player. All of these are being on. Okay, let's return home. I don't want to update. Let's return home, for instance. If I go back home, my apps, you can see clearly that here's a Bear Player that we just installed. And if you open it, it is going to work perfectly. As you can see, Bear Player has two functions. You can either play local content, which is content that is on your TV device, or you can play or stream content using a network link. So all we have to do here is to put in a URL and then start streaming the content or from certain applications. Now let's move on to the next one, which is the AM player. I want to uninstall it and install it, and let us see if it's going to perfectly install to our Android TV. So if I uninstall it from my Android TV box and I try to install it again, let's just go ahead and do it. I want to show you if it works perfectly. So I'll go back to the Unlink application, and here's our AM player. I'm not going to click on install, and let's see if it's going to install to our Android TV just like Bear Player. So it has installed. Let's try VLC again and see if VLC is going to install. We are good to go if it installs. Alright, so it shows that these applications have installed. To verify, we need to come back to our app section over here, and you can see this is AM player. It is installed and it works perfectly. You can play local content, same like you can play content that is hosted on the internet. So that's the good news. The AM player still works. It still installs on our Android TV. VLC player still also works. So the conclusion is that Android TV is not blocking media players It is only Firestick that is blocking media players. So now if you were wondering how to install the unlink application, let me just quickly show you how to do that on your Android TV box or Android TV. So I'm going to start by installing it. So just go over here and you click on install depending on how your own Android TV box works. So I'm going to go over to the downloader application over here. If you do not know how to install downloader, it's very simple. Just go over to your browser. Any browser is going to work. In this case, go to your browser and just search downloader application. So I'm going to search in downloader application. But first of all, if you go over here to Firestick blocking media players, you're going to see many videos saying that Firestick is blocking media players. But as you would have seen in this video so far, our Android TV is not blocking media players. You can still use media players perfectly on your Android TV. So if you go over here and search downloader application, we want to install the unlink application for those who do not know how to install it. So just go over here and click downloader. So looking for the downloader application, we're going to use a suggestion, and here's the application. Okay, let's go over to all. We're going to use the version from Google Play Store. Click on it once, and then it brings you here. And since I already have it installed, I'll just go ahead and open. If you do not have it installed, you're going to install it, and if it's your first time, you're going to be prompted to log into your Google account. So click open over here, and since you want to install the unlink application, just go over here and type in this code. So type in this code 10381 and just go ahead and launch. This is the code to install the unlink application. So this is for those who want to know how to install unlink. If you do not want to know how to install unlink, then you're good to go. The video ended already, but if not, let me show you how to install unlink. Just give it a couple of seconds and the download is going to start downloading over here. Once you're done downloading, we're going to install to our Android TV. So here's the application. Just give it a couple of seconds. So once the application is downloaded, just go ahead and click install. Once you click install, the application is going to quickly install to your Android TV. So do not open it straight away. Click done. Delete the R5 by just clicking delete here. And once you're done, you can then return home. Your unlink application has been installed. You can go over here and you'll see the application. Here's it. Click on it once. Once you click on it, it's going to bring you to where you put in the library, and the library I was using in this video is the everything library. So just go over here and type in everything. So let me look without wasting time. Let me type that with my mouse. So everything. So here's the library. After typing in, all you've got to do is go ahead and launch, and it's going to bring you straight away to where we were at the beginning of this video. So that's how I came to these media players on the unlink application. So here they are, and then you are back here. Just give it a couple of seconds for them to completely load, and then you can install them to your Android TV. So that's it about this video. In this video, I showed you that Android TV is not blocking media players, and you can still completely install them to your Android TV if you want. If you found the video helpful, please make sure to like, subscribe, and share more important videos like this.